everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to do 2x2 rib or double rib stitch. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe, and let's get into it. The materials you'll need is a yarn of your choice. I'm using this Rowan Softjack DK in this lovely petrol blue shade, and a pair of knitting needles. I'm using 5mm needles. To get started, cast on 28 stitches. This pattern works best with a total number of stitches that is dividable by 4 plus 2 edge rows each side, so an additional 4 stitches. So we'll be working in 2 rows, row 1 and row 2, and on row 1 we will start the row knitting 3 stitches, and then we'll begin our 2x2 rib until there are 3 stitches left on our needle that will need to be knitted as well. And then row 2 we start with 1 knit stitch and then begin our 2x2 rib until there is only 1 stitch left on our needle, which we will knit. Let's begin knitting. The first thing we need to do is knit the first 3 stitches before we can start working in our 2x2 rib. Then we can start purling. So we do 2 purl stitches, then 2 knit stitches, and we're going to continue in that fashion until we only have 3 stitches left on our needle, and we're going to knit those, and that is the end of row 1. For row 2 we start with 1 knit stitch and then begin working in our 2x2 rib, so we'll be doing 2 purl stitches, then 2 knit stitches, then 2 purl stitches and 2 knit stitches, and continue working in that fashion again until there's only 1 stitch left on our needle, which we'll need to knit. And that is row 2, and that's on the wrong side, so every time you're on the wrong side, that is how you'll be proceeding. Here are a couple of examples of 2x2 rib on different size needles and using different tensions. I really like this stitch just because it creates so much texture. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next, and I will see you next time.